Good morning, good morning, good morning, friends. Oh my God, I'm giving a whole ass tablecloth. Okay, anyway, hey y'all. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? And I'm so glad that you stopped through. Hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, bring it on in. I miss y'all. But I got some shit I need to get off my chest. A public service announcement, if you would. Girl, let me put this thing on seatbelt on. How about you? Because she's so whining. I just got the phone. And because I have a short attention span, or I may forget, I want to turn on the camera and talk about it. Can we normalize stop having expectations of people, friends, relationships, or whatever? Like, can we normalize stop having expectations? That doesn't mean, let me break it down so it can forever be broke. What I mean by that is, don't have me take a test that I haven't studied for, nor did I know about. And if I made you feel a way, and you say to yourself, "Oh, she should know better. Oh, she should do it." Stop doing it. Because if a person, if you have to really analyze who this person is in your life. Because if you think that I would do something to hurt you, and I call you a friend, or we're in a relationship, then we got other problems. Problems is bigger than that. Because I'm not gonna go out my way to hurt you. If I hurt you, let's talk about it. Because how do we not get back to this point? So you're sitting in your feelings about something that I may have done, and I don't know nothing about it. So when am I gonna know? You just gonna be mad and go the other way? That makes absolutely no sense. Especially if you value that relationship, whether it's friend or relationship, like, how do we fix that? You gotta at least let the person, I mean, even in court, they tell you what your charges is before they put your ass in jail. Even if they get ready to arrest you, they tell you what they're arresting you for before you go to jail. Like, goddamn, give me a chance to plead my case, get a lawyer or something. Like, that is just weird to me. So I'm sitting up here and I'm talking to my homeboy, and I'm like, so now I'm feeling the way because you've been holding me. So you've been upset and mad about some shit that I knew nothing about. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Have y'all ever been through that before? First of all, like, I'm sorry, but that is weird to me. So I told him, this is exactly what I told him. I hope I'm not going all around. I probably am, because I'm a Gemini and that's what I do. But yeah, I'm sitting there like, so not only did you hold it, you internalized it, you made it out of what you wanted it to be. You feeling this way for whatever reason. You know, like, I ain't got no say or nothing in how you feeling right now. All this is your thoughts in your head, because I haven't had a chance to plead my case. How is that even fair? And you call me your friend. Friends don't do that to each other. Friends have conversations. If you're in a relationship, you have a conversation. Stop avoiding these hard conversations, please, for the love of God. Stop being afraid to have these hard conversations. Whatever it may be. If your feelings hurt, I care about your feelings. So let's talk about it. If you don't want to talk about it, then say, hey, I don't want to talk about it if you hurt my feelings. Just let me know what crime I committed. I just think that's fair. I'm sorry, y'all. I know I started off going in, but that just That irritates my spirit. First of all, I'm not in no relationship or no friendship that I gotta walk it on eggshells. I ain't doing that. I am 50 fucking years old. I am not finna walk on no eggshells in no relationship. Period. Work with nothing. I'm not doing that. That's too much work. It's too much work for me to sit up and be mad and holding grudges and stuff. That's too much work. That takes way too much out of me. Let's just talk about it. I know I done went on a whole rant for almost 6 minutes, but I feel like I had to get that off my chest because I know that other people go through this. I refuse to believe that I'm the only person that go through it. So if something like this have happened to y'all, please put it in the comments. I'm just curious to know. I really am, because I'm like, somebody probably say they watching this video, so I ain't saying nothing. And if I did so, because here's the deal. Whatever I said once, I can say twice. And the killing part is the same conversation I have with y'all. I have different. Because I'm like, first of all, it's 4 day in the morning. It's 4. Oh Lord, you know you Southern when you say 4 day. First of all, what is 4 day? But it's 4 day in the morning, and we talking about this. So now, I'm crossing my arms. It's a cross my arm moment. So I'm like, the whole time I'm like, but you held on to it. It ain't really the fact that I hurt your feelings. You held on to that hurt and added on to it. You start adding other shit that you felt like I made. That ain't even fucking fair. Maybe I understand that when you go to court and you are guilty of a crime, they start pulling out old evidence to see if this is a pattern. Bitch, this ain't no motherfucking pattern. You sensitive, and it's okay. Let me know that, and I can work accordingly. Okay, I'm still on this rant. Nice. What y'all doing? Tell me y'all business. I done drove down, man. Kind of, sort of, but not really. I mean, y'all my friends, so I can talk to y'all about stuff. Oh, did I tell y'all I'm on my way to work? I don't even know. Because this was a rant section. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to pull up to the job and get a little bit situated. Yes, I'm at work on a goddamn Saturday. Yes, that could be the other reason why I was ticked off. Shit. Well, we got our coffee, our breakfast. We're about to put one of them in this old pot and get the day started. I don't know what we're going to do after, but whatever we're doing, y'all come up with me. Y'all ready? Let's go. What's up, y'all? I am back, y'all. I'm back, but I got a question. Does anybody know what the hell winter is? Because technically March 11th, it is still winter until like March 21st, 22nd, one or the other. Yeah, it's 80-something degrees. I literally had to turn my air down just to turn the camera on. There y'all go, jumping around and shit. Whew. Child. Is this what the summer gonna be like? Because I'm about to cook in this old, looking like the couch from Good Times top. What else did I say? I'm trying to get my life together because y'all know we went to work today. Jesus, take the wheel. And I'm like, they give me 72 hours to be off before I had to come back. And the fact that I had to come, that I only got 68 hours left, 68 out of my 72, I kind of feel cheated. Guess there ain't really much I can do about it. Now we're about to go have some lunch. Everybody was at work, and they follow me because they don't know where they're going. Here's the deal. I don't drive fast, but I don't drive slow. So I gotta keep looking at the damn rearview mirror to remember their ass behind me. Cause I didn't give them no address, nor did they ask. They just trust Miss Kaye. Child, if y'all knew what I knew. I've been checked out mentally, be mentally down the street, wondering what DD's doing. Then my car turned to DD. Girl, this could be bad. But anyway, we're about to go to little spot, get some grub, and see you then. Hey y'all, I'm back, y'all. We at the house, in case you haven't figured it out yet. I need to change some light bulbs out, like in the ceiling fan. If y'all don't know, this chick here don't like yellow lights. My ceiling fan has yellow lights in it. You can see over there. So we're about to change it to these daylight lights, like these over here. It gets more bright. Y'all know I don't like that whole dingy thing. I went and ate crawfish. I act like we're surprised because it's crawfish season, and my coworker had never had a mimosa, like in her whole entire life, like in all the years she'd been living. So what kind of friend, what kind of coworker would I be if I didn't introduce you to a mimosa? So we had mimosas. And then we got Tito's, and they drink their Tito's very disrespectful with like 900 punches and stuff in it, like orange juice, cranberry juice, grapefruit juice. Like they had a whole plethora of juices, but I mean, I just put mine on some little cute little ice cube. So we had that, and now I'm here and I need to clean up my room. It's not like, okay, yes it is. It's not bad, but it ain't good. So we got to get it to the good situation. It's kind of like I was getting dressed last night, and you could tell every spot I was in, from the get ready with me table to, yeah. And I did something that I haven't did in a long time. I left the house with my bed unmade. I can't believe I'm putting that shit on the internet. But I did. So I'm trying to see if I want to take me a nap first. Y'all, why are we in there chilling? We just got through eating crawfish. Well, me, because they had sliders. And I'm getting ready to leave. I get a text. This how you know you close with a motherfucker. I get a text and she say, it sound like you eating crawfish. First of all, how do it sound like we eating crawfish when we not even on the phone? You just out the clear blue. And I just said, I took a picture of me at our spot where we eat crawfish, and I was like, who, me? That was Pookie though. Y'all, I think I'm a little buzzed. What y'all think? Y'all, I don't really like the ginger hair on me no more. Now I done had a taste of that old blonde, that old golden blonde. I need that big. But it's kind of hard for y'all. It is still that way, but it's kind of hard for y'all to see it when it molded down like this. But that's the only way I don't sweat in my head. So I know, crazy, huh? Anyway, we're like 3 minutes in, child. I ain't really said shit. We gotta put these goddamn light bulbs up and figure out this whole entire room. Now, y'all know I be having a flash. That I got all the fans, right? So I bought a little thin blanket. Cause I'm sorry, during the spring and summer, I can't have the comforters. I can't. It's too hot. I'm throwing everything on the floor. So what's the point of even having it on the bed? So I tried to get something simplistic, solid, and hopefully it looks right. Cause that's all I can sleep on, a little thin ass blanket with a sheet. Cause I can't stand I can't stand to just I can't sleep up under a blanket without a sheet. Y'all the same way? Oh, good, that just grinds my gears. It made me itch just thinking about it. Oh my God, who does that and why? Ain't no award for that shit. Anyway, y'all, I'm rambling. Ooh, I'm rambling. I'm finna take care of my business, and I'll be back. Maybe. If not, I'll see y'all the day after. Tomorrow. Like film in a movie, nigga, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness.